Trader, happy Saturday. Russell 2000, it popped, it made all-time highs. We can see that we have a lot of red here on the daily. It is overbought. They lowered interest rates and they popped it. We featured it in January of 24 that the small cap would outperform the Russell 2000. And we see that. It's on our YouTube channel. It was a power investment. It's time to sell the Russell 2000. We have lower lows. September was a great bull for the Russell 2000, along with the rate cuts. I can tell you that there's a lot of risk. When I draw a trend line right here, I can see the high. Then I could see 4 red days, 5, 6 red days out of 1 green. That is evidentiary. Now, we lightened up and we got out of it. The rate cuts are over for right now, and small cap does benefit, but remember, they got to make money. And there's a support level for the Russell 2000. Stay tuned. We got lots of site updates. We got buy now, pay later. We got October 1. It's rolling. Sign up. Why are you not in the market? Why are you sitting on the sideline? You don't have that excuse.